out the water.
Oh, donkey. Don't leave guys.
Lucky the guy didn't have any internal bleeding. Very lucky.
Yes, look here.
But he was asking for it.
Yeah, cool.
Some dog thing. Oh shit.
Yeah, I mean, obviously the guy's been partying all night.
My goodness.
Wow.
Crazy. Yeah. Look at this one. Look at this one. Yeah. For me, yeah, but I'm filming it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we need the whale shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, let's throw it in. We'll find one behind it.
They did.
Actually looks like a juvenile pod, guys. There's a couple of young ones around.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm done.
It looks like a juvenile pod.
Can you tell us if the outside look at it's a male or female?
No, it's an how far the gap is here that you can tell whether they're male or female. It's quite hard to see.
They're gone.
Behavior is exactly the same. But then you get a crash group, which is mostly females with the young, with the very young. And then obviously the bigger ones are the females. So that's the way you can more or less tell apart. But yeah, now, it's a juvenile group. There's no